Hi! Ever wonder why your Xiaomi Mijia 2C robot vacuum is moving like it's stuck in quicksand? Look at the tire. Is it bald and worn out like this? Don't panic. We've got the solution. Let us show you how we diagnose and fix the problem and get it back to work again. A customer brought us their Xiaomi Mijia 2C robot vacuum, complaining that it just wasn't doing its job. It seemed like it was having a hard time moving around. We fired up the vacuum and started our investigation. And guess what we found? Look at this. OMG! The wheels are completely bald. The rubber is worn out, and that's why this robot vacuum couldn't work properly or move smoothly. Both wheels are toast, which is a big part of the problem. No wonder the robot vacuum couldn't run smoothly. Our recommendation: replace the wheels with a full set because you can't just replace the rubber, unfortunately. But we didn't stop there. As this robot vacuum is pretty old, we also suggested a deep cleaning service. We'll take it apart, clean every nook and cranny, and make it feel like it's brand new. With the customer's approval, we got to work. Our last step was to test the robot vacuum to ensure it operated smoothly. And there you have it, another happy robot vacuum. This Xiaomi Mijia 2C robot vacuum is back in action. Look at it go. It's zooming around, cleaning floors, and moving smoothly like the day it was first unboxed. Got a robot vacuum that's giving you trouble? Contact us today and let's get your robot vacuum working like new.